I just got my Centrelink money. And what am I to do? Buy groceries or Ooshies? I got this.
Luckily, no one was seriously hurt. They all died instantly. Fucking piece of shit. Is this it? No, that's not it. What about this? No, this is... What the fuck is this? Ah, here it is. This is what I'll be opening. I'm going to be looking for the metallic limited edition Joker. Yes, well, I'm not a complete animal. I'm also going to open 4 Woolworths Ooshies. I'm still looking for that ultra rare The Child and the furry fat beard Thor. And these. So, let's begin. So, you get Glow Batman, Sinestro, and White Cape Superman. But I'm interested in this. This better be the metallic Joker. Otherwise, I'm fucking up Shit's Creek. I can't afford this shit. Let's put him there. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, did we get it? Did we get it? Let's have a look. Jesus. Fuck. How can kids open this shit? I just got shitty White Lantern Batman, who I don't think he's just common. It's just common shit. Alright, let's try and see if I can get these rare ones. I swear every packet I open, I get this. I don't mind the Stormtrooper, he's cool. Another Black Panther. Oh my fucking god, it's a glitter Mandalorian. Fuck, it is a glitter Mandalorian. You wanna know how fucking much this is worth? I'm gonna put it up on the screen. This just basically pays for this whole fucking show. This whole production has been fucking paid for by that fucking thing. I can retire now. That's the outcome that I was looking for. I can rest easy. My fucking head hurts though. I'm getting pains in my head.
Love is an open door.
And I'm hearing voices.
Mental synchronization can
It's
have
not
only one
you.
answer.
Stop
Love is an
the
open
voices.
door. Love is an open
I'm
door.
telling you now, you're fucking going to pay.
Fuck you, asshole.
Stop it. That's it. You're fucking
Do it
dead,
anyway.
bitch.
I don't care. I know it's all I care.